Welcome to this video, Deep Learning AI for High-Resolution Imagery. So at first we want to have a quick look at where actually deep learning is in the field of artificial intelligence. Last unit we already talked about the random forest module, which is a machine learning algorithm, and the deep learning algorithms are also a part of machine learning, and to be more specific, they are part of the neural networks. So to come back to our introduction and just to remember what we're trying to do here, so we again have our cow, and we're trying to detect an object, and after that we want to classify it. So how does this really work? So we have several steps of unsupervised learning. So we would have here in the first layer just some lines, and then they increase the information and we get some more curves about the object, but we still can't see what it actually represents. So in the third layer we can see some more features, but it's still not 100% clear what it is. And only in the last layer we can see that this object that's detected, if you put all the lines together, will be an elephant. And this object after that comes into a supervised learning, and we will then classify each object, so this gets a label that says elephant. Technically this is a lot of computing to do. So we will get our image, our elephant image or cow image, and we will put it into the algorithm and do some convolution, some pooling, and we will lose some of the spatiality of the data when we go down into the network, but we will gather information about the object. After that we will have to go a little bit back up again to get our spatiality of the data back with some transposed convolution. And when we have our image at the original size again, we have to do the classification. And this is the part that says this object that has been detected is the cow or the elephant. So to do this, we can choose from a lot of frameworks. So we can see here in this corner of the image we have the UNet, which we will use in this course. But there are a lot of other frameworks that could be used for this task too, for example, SegNet or DeepLab. The UNet is a robust choice for us because it has been proven to do good semantic segmentations in the field of image classification, and it has a somewhat special structure. So we again put our image into our algorithm, and then we do some convolution, then some max pooling downward, but we will also get some information over to the side. And we will do this a lot of time, and again we will lose some of the spatial information when we go down, and we will gather this back when we go do some transposed convolution on the way up, and we will also use the information from the side that comes over here. We'll then get back to our original image size, and when we have our output segmentation map, we get all our images as objects and also as classification. So we have an object-based classification of each pixel. Thank you, and see you next time.